so excited. We're trying out Thai boat noodles for the first time today, so let's see what they got to offer. This is 555 boat noodles. Oh, and by the way, I'm Buns. Let's eat together. They just opened about a month ago and they're already so busy. They specialize in Thai boat noodles, and I can see why, because the food is so hearty and warm, especially in this cold weather. I love their fried wontons. It was so bouncy but crispy on the outside, and the sauce was so addicting. We tried both the tom yum and the yen tofu broth. I love the tom yum. It was so fragrant and citrusy. The yen tofu, they said, is fermented tofu, but it's slightly sweeter. The original boat noodles is very hearty and rich. It's kind of like a beef stew. And for all the soup dishes, you get to choose 3 different types of noodles. They recommended the egg noodles because the rice noodles may become too soggy if you're a slow eater. And for dessert, you have to get their durian ice cream and mango sticky rice. The vibes are 10 out of 10, kind of reminds you of Asia. And the prices are also quite affordable, so I can see why they would go viral.